You'll be on blue. You know how many? Red. 2 here. Silver. How many here? 2 on orange.
Blue. Inside.
Alright, guys, take this time to look down at your feet. Memorize the color code I've assigned you. You'll be standing on the exact same color code inside the cell. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. One simple color. Don't be too proud of yourselves. Once inside the cell, you will tell us everything you know about the resistance, including the location of their secret base. So be prepared to talk. We need to know everything. Which, judging from the 2 of you, won't be much. My hopes are not set very high. Whoopsies.
Sorry.
Not so good. I understand that the stormtroopers have poor eyesight, but it does help that you are wearing a target on your body. And now she's wearing sunglasses of space. Blue, hit it. Red, follow. Then silver.
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We have recruits. Wait, you're still here? Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
This is our fight. He's gonna get you to
Okay,
safety. Good luck.
take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We're breaching attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now! Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his copy.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from it.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.